Live to Brisbane now. Queensland Health is providing an update with the Premier Anastasia Palaszczuk. Let's listen in. One new case today. Nothing that they're worried about though.
Announced in Victoria today. We need to be ready for when the next Delta cluster arrives in Queensland. And the best way you can protect yourself, your family and your community is to go and get vaccinated. I can't stress this enough. So please do that. Also, too, I can advise that yesterday we vaccinated over 300 people at Ingham's Chicken at Murarrie and at Hilton Foods at Heathwood. 28 meatworks and food distribution centres have been identified as crucial by the Department of Agriculture, and we're progressively rolling that out. And there'll be more than 7,500 workers in these centres in total, and we're progressively rolling that out. So the last couple of, was it Monday, Tuesday, we had our vaccination people here at Metcash, and they're going to progressively roll out to these other high need areas to make sure our workers are getting vaccinated. And as Aaron said to me, people had thought about it on the weekend and came in and said, I want to get vaccinated. So that is terrific news. That's the best thing that families can do to look after themselves and their loved ones, is to get vaccinated. So that's fantastic news today. Okay, so I will hand over to Dr. Young.
Thank you, Premier. So yes, excellent news again for Queensland. Due to the hard work of those 100 families who are still in quarantine because of the outbreak in the childcare centre, the case today is one of the children who's been in contact with the child who was positive. So they're a household contact, a sibling of that child. And that's of course what we want to see in an outbreak, that any new cases that come forward, and there's an ongoing risk we'll get more cases, but that any of those additional cases are in quarantine at the time they're detected and have spent their entire infectious period in quarantine, which this child has. So there is no risk here at all because of the work by those 100 families and our contact tracers, getting hold of them all and getting them quickly into quarantine. Now, what we need to do going forward is we've got to all get vaccinated. So from Monday next week, any Queenslander who's 12 years of age or older is able to get vaccinated. So please come forward and get vaccinated. The more people who are vaccinated, the less the risk of an outbreak spreading so that it can't be controlled. Thank you.
That's where we leave Dr. Kerry Chan, urging every Queenslander to come out and get vaccinated.